Yeah, sorry. Hmm? Relaxed? What is ITIL? IT means information technology. IT means information technology. It is there now. So my fingers are not listening to me by looking at that one also. Information technology. What is IL? What is IL? Infrastructure library. Okay. So library spelling is correct. Is wrong or I am wrong? Yeah, I am correct. So spelling mistake in PPT. Yeah, don't worry. I didn't make that PPT. If I made it, no spelling mistakes. Okay. IT infrastructure library. IT infrastructure library. So before going to the ITL, so what it is? Of course, some of the questions I will tell. First of all, difference between ITIL and ITSM. SM means service management. Okay. Next one. What is the difference between ITIL and ITIS? Means your profile. Infrastructure services. Okay. Infrastructure services. So remember these two questions. So we'll get back that questions anyway. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you very small story. Remember the story kind of stuff is sorry, not a story. Just we'll go to direct points here. If in case like you want to create a business, you want to create a business, IT business. You want to create an IT business. You want to start. Create means you want to start a new IT business. IT business or a new IT business. ITIL is very useful. ITIL is very useful. ITIL is a process management related means you want to start a business. Then each part of business from starting to ending ITL will support. ITL is a concept. ITL is a theory point only. It is a concept that how to start, why to start, what are the things required for starting to ending support. Starting to ending support is there. So, okay, you want to start a IT business, ITL will support like that. ITL is a concept from any IT business from starting to ending support is there. Okay, it is a questions only. There are ITL is a nothing but a question paper, not answer sheet. Okay, it is a question paper for you. It's you want to create or start IT business. You want to create or start a service. It means you have already business. You want to create a new service. You want to create or start a new service. New or a old, new or old one. Anything. When it is come to new, people will confuse whether new it should be new only kind of stuff. Whether new means it's a simply new one. That's it. Okay, you want to create or start a new service. You are creating means that is a new one. So that's a new is not required. Okay, that's one. Yeah, you want to create or start a service. or you want to provide a service, means you are already having a service. Okay, you want to provide a service to a customer. Okay, you want to provide a service to a customer. Okay, what are the spelling it is? Okay, you want to not only create and IT businesses, and also once you are created, then also maintenance comes after, right? So that's why I written maintenance is a set. You created IT business, but you have to maintain IT business, and you are maintaining IT business. It means you have to improve your business, and okay, you are aim to improve quality of the business or a service quality. Same thing. You want to provide a service, and you have to maintain that service, and you have to improve the quality of the service. Okay, improvement is required. So you can put a quality. Why my mind is not working again? Okay, quality of the service. Okay. So you want to provide. Why I am writing like this? Want to provide a service to the customer. Okay, and managing the services. Okay, properly deliver or not, like this. Okay, it is also support for a maintenance of your infrastructure. Maintenance of your infrastructure will give. So what is this kind of stuff? First of all, what is IT business? So we'll see that one. Okay, IT is a organization, and it is nothing but a business. Okay? IT is a organization. IT is a business. IT is a nothing but a service. Who required IT? Who required IT business? Guys, anyone? Who required IT business? And what are the IT businesses? First, I will go to what are the IT businesses. Here it is. Um, Tell me, what are the IT businesses? Software development. We know that one IT means. Okay. Infrastructure means your computers, servers, hardware parts. Very good. Servers, server maintenance. Okay, okay, okay. Computers, servers, networking components. Okay, network components like switches, routers, like that, cables. These are all parts of IT company, IT business, IT businesses. You do development of software, and you purchase, you sell or selling the computers. You provide a repairing service for a computers, or maybe for a servers, or maybe you are providing networking equipment. Internet service. Internet service is also a IT business. Supporting service, like a technical support service is there, no? Okay, technical support service is there. Like you are not getting internet, you call. Your laptop is not working, you call to the your company. Your operating system not working, you call to the operating system person like a Microsoft, you call it, right? So technical support people, that is we call it as a business process outsourcing. KPOs. Okay, knowledge process outsourcing. These kind of stuff, supporting, technical support, customer support. These are all IT businesses only. Okay, so these are different IT businesses. Any other services? Now currently, cloud service provider, cloud service related things also now, like a Office 365. Okay, maybe storage, maybe other thing. This is also comes under IT business only now, right? Like this. Now tell me who required these things. Non-IT companies and IT companies both required IT services. Both required IT services. For example, if you take Savantis, Savantis is a IT company. Savantis is the IT company. I need internet service. I need a computers. I need a data centers. I need a networking cables. I need a routers, firewalls. Required, right? It is required. I'm IT company, but I need this thing. So how I will get it? How to contact those who are providing? How to contact a internet service provider? How to contact computers? Who is selling computers? Who is selling operating system? Who is selling firewalls? Who is selling this particular part? Like that. How to contact, right? So that is, I'm IT company. I need IT services. Non-IT company, for example, maybe accounting department. For example, accounting department required accounting software. Accounting department required accounting software. If, where they will use a software on a computer, so they need a computer. Software, computer is there, operating system is required, operating system. Internet service is required, again IT. For example, mine is a transportation company. Mine is a transportation company. um, I want to travel from for example, mine is a transportation company. But how can I sell tickets? So to sell or reserve the tickets, there is a need a website. Okay, so I have a server. I put all my bus related ticketing system into my server. I'll give it to some portal, so they will people can easily search and reserve the ticket. So I'm getting good business from it. So what I need? I need a IT. I need a server, database, application, portal application. So then people can able to take a ticket from us. Hotel business, non-IT, but reservation system is there. Allocation system is there. You check in at 11 o'clock. Normally hotels like 11 o'clock you are check-in. Your checkout time is tomorrow morning. By 11 o'clock you have to check out. Check-in time, checkout time. So still a person is there or is already checked out. Is there any pre-booking for a hotel room? Okay, you already booked for a hotel, pre-booked. You paid for amount, transactions. You paid with through different portals. Okay, so this is a required IT. So IT services is a whole support for non-IT and IT organizations also. Guys, understand this point up to here. Understand what is IT businesses, and use of IT for both IT and non-IT. Okay, some reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Prajna also confirm you would be very good. Thank you. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Is I will tell very small story. Yesterday, actually evening, I told building story. Same thing like I will tell one small step by step story. Here I said you want to create a business or a service, or you want to provide a service, means existing service. ITL life cycles will support that one. So first point is I want to start a business. Then what is that business? Okay, so what is that business? Why this business? Why it is required? For example, I want to start a hotel. What is the purpose of that hotel? Is it any outcome is there? What is the demand of that hotel? Is what is my sales point? How much investment? Like that, we have to questions. So that is, so to when I start a business, so compulsory you have to ask. And when I want to start a service, so different companies having a different kind of services, right? For example, Redbus, what is the service like? How to book the ticket? What is the login? How to pay amount? Is a currently COVID, right? So how many buses are really running? We don't know, right? In a COVID situation, buses are down, flights are less. So what is the demand in that one? So now these are all already existing. Now I said I will start this transportation company or maybe a website for a transportation related one. It no demand in that one. Okay, so check it. What is the demand now and what is the future demand? We have to check it and you have to create, right? So like that, I want to create a service. And the next one is here. It is, where is this? Yeah, here it is. For example, you take an Amazon as an example. Amazon is selling earlier is a books. Now they are selling groceries. Okay. Earlier in a Pune, we don't have a Amazon Fresh. Now we are also getting, but I'm not used. Okay. You can buy anything like a groceries, fresh vegetables. You can able to purchase it. Okay. So this is, you can see online you can purchase because in a Corona situation, almost all e-commerce websites is turned into vegetable markets only. Okay. So okay, like that. See, this is already existing service, but they want to create a new service. Okay, already business is established, but they want to create a new service from their organization. That is a new services. Next, provide a service to the customer. So we'll go to the provide services to the customer. For example, I want to purchase vegetables. I want to purchase the vegetables from Amazon or a Flipkart or a Big Basket. Okay, so what I have to do? First of all, how to select what my veg is required. Then go to the payment option, address and payment option. So go to the pay amount. Then the the order will give it to Amazon, the person. So Amazon, so they will get a order list in their computer. So they will check it, they will take it a printout and check what are the I selected payment kind of stuff. So they put it in a one box. They come to our thing and we deliver. Right? It's normally I'm telling, but in a process of ITL. So when you are order something, I order. Okay, so I order something like a vegetables or maybe something I order. So order will received by Amazon, for example. Okay, order is received by Amazon. Amazon verify order and confirm the order. Okay, confirm whether the product is still available or maybe not available. So can be delivered now, cannot be delivered now. So it will they inform. So confirm the order. So then the process it means start go and find out. Yeah, what is this? Okay, they start processing. So this is the order we receive. They started packing each other. So right, so verify in the process what they will do. They verify the product and then they package. They put a sticker like a address sticker, right? So they started sending. So send from their place to our place, our nearest place. They will send. Okay, so send to means transport. What they will do? They will transport, then delivery. they do delivery. After delivery, important is after delivery, so is it delivery correct, good, rating. Okay, so delivered message will come up, right? Delivered, and there is a rating. So they'll ask, sir, we came in a rain and we please give us a rating kind of stuff. Okay, like that, we have to give rating, confirm, and thing. So for example, a particular product is damaged or issue is there. Particular product is issue is there. Last time COVID situation last year, almost all Amazon delivers are damaged products only, including my keyboard, mouse, everything is damaged product I received. Some product are not yet received, not received in the particular time. Some are returned also. Okay, so damaged products. Okay, so it damaged. Then what I have to return policy. So what is a return policy? Immediately you verify. Okay, and within a 10 days you have to return to the thing, so then you will get a money, or maybe you they will deliver again. Okay, so this is a service, so full circle of service. Understand one example wise. Easy to example, I took Amazon, Flipkart, anything you can take it. Guys, understand this point? Or you never use Amazon or Flipkart for buying anything, guys? Hmm? Sir, I never use lifetime of Amazon or Flipkart. We don't know. If anybody is there like that, I will give you another example also. Okay, so up to here, okay or not?
Sir.
Yeah, tell me. Okay, good. Okay, so guys, ITL is for explanation. Examples are important. Okay, so that's why I am telling an examples and the process thing. Now I will go to this point now. Already I sent this PPT and as well as this thing. So the first is defining ITL. ITL is IT infrastructure library. ITL is a IT infrastructure library, is the most widely adopted approach of IT service management in the world. Okay, so I put at this point separately because understand. Okay, this is the main point of ITL. It is not IT, it is a it only. So you have to change it to ITIL. Okay, you have to change it ITIL. Provide a practical, no nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. For example, if you want to see these things in my earlier example, this is example I put it, right. So identify what it is, right. Select, pay, order. Identify what is the order. Confirm the order. Planning, how to deliver. Planning means to the packaging. Okay, this kind of stuff. Plan identifying and planning. Identify, identify the service. Planning, how to do it. Planning means how to do it, how can we do it, how can we do it, what it is, and how can we do it, what it is, how can we do it. Okay, the process thing, packaging, like that. So no, sorry, that point, I'm just jumping into the points only. This one, delivering, delivering. Okay, so finally delivered. Feedback, supporting, issues occur, maybe you call your some issues occur, not only damage, Also we can add a few things here. um, Late delivery. Okay, delay, delay in a delivery, late or a delay in a delivery. Delay can occurs, right? Delay or a not deliver, or maybe it delivers a different product. Okay, delivers in a different product. So what is that? Supporting. You have to call to the call center. I didn't get this product. This is I'm getting. This is not working. Okay. Or maybe you purchase a product. For example, you purchase a mobile phone. Mobile phone getting some issue. So you call to immediately. If it is immediate issue, you are call to Amazon and return the product. It's not immediate one, means after 10 days you have to call to your mobile company, Lenovo or maybe Samsung or maybe Redmi. Like you call to the call center and various service center will going to repair that one, right? So just for understanding, this is my guys, why I asked two times. This is my new example. Amazon I never use example, only I use written policy purpose only. Okay, never use that example. I'm using example that one now. So again, what is ITL? IT infrastructure library. IT infrastructure library. ITL provide practical, no nonsense framework for identifying. It means practically it is applicable. Practically it is applicable. Okay, that means practical means practically applicable, not a just theoretical one. No nonsense framework means how to do it, the process how to do it, like that. No nonsense means there is no complexity to it, so just by step we can able to do it. For identifying what is your business is identifying business or a service. What is your service? For example, I'm a cloud service provider. Identifying service, business, cloud services. For example, aws is a cloud service company, right? That is a business, is a cloud providing cloud services. What is the service they are providing? Virtual machines, or maybe in a cloud related service, infrastructure services or platform services or software as a services. That is a service, either identifying business or a service. Plan how to we can do it, how we can able to do it. Okay, and why we should do it. Delivering, done it and deliver it to the customer. Delivering, supporting IT services. Okay, so this is a ITL. So this is a, remember this thing and read it two three times, four times, five times you will include. Okay, adopting ITL offer huge range of benefits. So I don't put that much heading, that is a heading only. Benefits of ITL, just point to note what are the benefits. Improved IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction through a more professional approach. Improve customer satisfaction, that is enough. Improve productivity, improve use of skills and experiences. Yes, I want to ask one question. You know old Nokia mobile phones, like a 1100, 2200,
Yes,
2600. So what is the specialty of that mobile? Why it is more demand?
it is very strong, sir. Reliable, sir.
Strong, reliable,
Physical build quality.
physical build quality, battery life,
Battery life.
battery life guarantee, right? So lot of mobiles are came in that same time, but battery life is good for a Nokia. That's why the cost is always
Security,
increased.
sir.
Security, I don't know security. Okay, security. We can maybe can assign pin. The specialty of Nokia. So like a Nokia, TVS, Hero, Honda. Why always a demand in the market? TVS also TVS. Okay. Why people are not purchasing high
Sir,
end models?
these are trusted brands in India, sir.
And
They
why
are
trust?
because sir they have delivered quality for past a long time.
Very good. So what is the thing is quality. First is quality. Quality of the product. And maybe initially less, but now it is better. Quality of the service or quality of the product is important. Okay. And moderated cost. The cost is justified cost. Cost justified. Why Geo, when Geo is launched, almost all people are start jumping into Geo only. Why?
Because it was free at the starting.
Starting it is free. First 3 months free, next
Yeah,
3 months free. Next also they are putting some cost. Cost is there. Now people
very
are
less cost, sir.
balancing, both are balanced. But still it is less cost.
Sir, another example would be
Another
Cred
example,
app. Cred app, sir.
Cred app. Yeah, Cred app I
Yes.
know because
When
I'm
it
using it.
came, no one literally used it, but after their services, their policies, everyone got addicted to that.
Yeah. So because
Yeah, when
I
you
don't know
when you pay
initially,
your
but
credit card bills, sir,
I
you'll
pay
get
credit card
reward.
bills. Even I create pay credit card bills. I will get a 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 8 rupees every month because my credit card will now don't cross 20,000 generally. Only it is crossed like a 3 months, 4 months only it will cross. Regularly it will I will maintain up to 20. I don't know this month. Okay. Yeah. Cost justified cost. Even Geo or launch in a freely or not freely. Even the first day also they are given a same cost as now. Maybe they will become popular. Why? Because on that time 1 GB only for data. 1 GB data 256 rupees per month means 28 days validity. It means you want to watch a small video, then it is you have to open the YouTube and see a 10 minutes video, close it that day. Next day only have to open it. Only for basic internet messaging kind of stuff only, not roughly for using. Now 24 hours people are running YouTube, TikTok, all this give fame because of cost is suddenly reduced. All companies are reducing now. Cost justified cost is there. That is a cost justified in that one. Not only here I'm writing. Important is quality is important for any business. Quality is important. Cost justified cost is important. Not less cost or more cost. So appropriate cost is required. Not a completely free giving. Not a or a put a high price for things. Cost Justified cost we can achieve it. So that will give you longer business support. Longer business support you will get it. Okay. Next is customer satisfaction. We satisfy the customer by professional approach. Okay, use of skills and experiences. What is this customer satisfaction in it is when that time in a mobile phone, if you have any issue in a Nokia mobile phone, very nearest means you can approach Nokia repairing center. That time means every town, at least a big town, maybe if at least weekly ones or maybe uh, direct Nokia service centers are available. Okay, any city,
Sir,
at least by
Apple,
city. Yeah.
sir, sir, I'm saying Apple can be a better example for customer satisfaction. Like in earlier days, they don't repair the phones; they just simply
Still, they are
exchange
not
it if
repairing
it's in
computer.
under warranty.
They are not repairing still. You have to buy back.
Yeah,
Apple
yeah,
Care you
buyback
have to
buyback option is there.
take. Buy back.
Yeah,
Yeah. So normal repair also they can't do
but you can
repair
get it.
because
Yeah, but you can get it swapped also, sir. Like if it's
right.
under warranty and some some irreparable damage comes, so they simply repair it under warranty without taking any extra cost.
You have
And
to
same
take
with the
Apple Care.
accessories.
Two condition. Either you purchase a Apple mobile international license, or maybe you have to purchase in
Yes.
India only. First thing, unlocked
Hmm.
kind of stuff won't work.
Right, sir.
Unlock means like you purchase in an American Apple mobile phone, and because of your friend or someone is there, they took a Apple phone,
Hmm.
and you unlocked it in here. You reset that unlocking kind of stuff, and you want to
Because
go to
they're also
Apple.
international license one. We can get it from there also on international license one.
Yeah, international wise or a national means Indian model you have to
Indian.
purchase. Better
Hmm.
too. And next you have to take a Apple Care. So for your both charger and your Apple mobile phone. Okay. And if it is an under warranty, even so they will you can swap it. That's the main point. It's just like you purchase a Apple. I mean there are a guarantee that's it works. If not works, take new one. There is
Yeah,
two
I
choice.
mean, no
Either
other
it is
company do
free
this.
freely or by paying off of the price.
Right, sir.
Right?
And
It
no
is
other
a
company do this, sir.
no company will do it. So right. For example, you are
Yeah.
with 1 lakh. It is a 1 lakh. You put it. So either you will get a free directly 1 lakh rupees mobile phone again if it is in under 1 year warranty period, or if you are taking Apple Care, if something repair, so by paying a 50% of amount, so you will get a new mobile phone directly.
Hmm.
That is, yeah, that is one kind of customer approaching. That is a one kind of customer approaching. Okay. Next one is this is a costly part. So I'm not going to costly part. I'm going to cheaper part. Okay, like a Nokia mobile phone. One is
Yes, sir.
Nokia service centers. Now Nokia service centers are unavailable. You are in a small town. You can't able to go to Nokia service center. So you can go to nearest servicing shop. Also, they can repair it. If warranty is over already through 2 to 3 years over, some issues occur. So you can go to a normal mobile repairing shop. Also, they can able to repair it. That's why our TVS Hero Honda is more popular in a mainly in a middle class stream, office, college people. So why they're preferring it is if you got a problem, if the service centers are far, still no problem, you can service from a local service people also. Okay, so important is service should be available. Like if you see TVS, even a small town also having a TVS showroom is there. TVS repairing at least one or two people are there for a service purpose. Service centers are more. Recently I talked to my sister, that is Ether, that is one is there, no, that is electrical bike. Author or Ether?
Aether,
Ether.
sir, Aether.
Ether,
It's
Ether.
in Bangalore.
Now it is in a Hyderabad also. My sister told. So all main places they are putting service means the charging stations. So why electrical bikes are not highlighted nowadays? Okay, why electrical bikes are not highlighted? Still not highlighted. It is from almost 10 years. Electrical bikes are there. Electrical cars are there, and there is a lot of discount on it. But why it is
So
not highlighting?
Due,
right
due
now,
to this.
people are shifting to electric vehicles due to the petrol and diesel rates. And you can see Tata Motors is it's providing a heck of services to the customer,
Yeah,
like in the electric uh, vehicle sector.
that's
Sir,
very good.
what's the price
Two
for this
points.
Ether 450X?
I don't know. So maybe one
Around
one point
one
four,
point four five, 1 lakh 45
1 lakh
thousand
45. Right? Yeah, on road after taxes.
on road.
on road. And sir, initially they provided 2 years of
Free service.
charging, yeah, free service.
Okay. Service availability. Very good. This is one another
Subsidy
example.
thing
You
is
got it.
also there
Okay.
now.
Service availability, charging stations. Problem with electrical thing is, okay,
Charging stations.
charging stations. Where to put a charging? Always go to up. So some people, for example, I put it correct only. Maybe. Okay. Understand. Charging stations are very less for electrical people. Government is trying to push, even including with some discounts from since last 10 to 15 years, they are giving discounts. But actual thing is they are not putting a charging stations. Okay. Outside chargings are not there. You have to be self care. Service centers are very less or no service centers. Again, you have to call to the service guy only. And regular people means roadside service is not available. Means you got a problem in your bike or a car, electrical car, it's where people don't understand. So these are the challenges we are facing earlier. Now it is one by one solving is there, because so now Vola is also came to the market by pre-booking for 99 rupees. Understand? By pre-booking for 99 rupees. So we can able to get Vola. Right. Maybe Wala also will start a number of charging stations, like a each 2 3 kilometers one charging station can be there. Maybe random charging stations are there. My idea of electrical related is they have to give private contracts. So my idea is, if I have a something like a 1 lakh rupees kind of stuff, any permissions are there, I will want to start in my place at my hometown or maybe something. And I don't have any land and there, but I will invest. I want to invest and money or something in my place. May for my everyone is busy. My brothers are busy, so if anyone free, then we'll see in my so my another place also. At least I will sell the idea. Okay, so charging stations now improving. Okay, for buses, cars, and as well as bikes also, fast chargers are available. Fastly you can able to charge it. And next, service stations they want to improve, not as showrooms. Service stations also there are coming with multiple service stations in a market. So what is the point of that one? If these things, facilities, not a cost. Earlier it is a 20 25,000 you will get electrical bike. Now 20 25,000 you don't get an electrical bike, you will get an electrical cycle only. Not even a bike, electrical cycle, bicycle you will get it. Okay, 25,000 electrical bicycle. That is also very few models. Now it is 45. 45 is also very less. Only one model is there. Now it is 75, 90, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs bikes and cars are there, right? Cars are
Sir,
earlier 1.5
what
lakh
is
car
the
you will
reason
get
for
it.
this, sir?
What it is?
Sir, I'm saying, what is the reason for this? Like earlier, we get, electric, the scooties at 25, 30,000, but now it's costing so much higher.
Battery.
What's the reason for this?
Battery
At
style is
least
changed. Earlier
so
some lithium
quality.
LIH battery kind of stuff.
Sir,
Battery.
I can say priority, sir. People used to, they had a very good priority for petrol and diesel vehicles than electric vehicle.
Exactly say
And trust
priority
also second
also
factor.
earlier very less, be due to these reasons, of course. These reasons: service centers, charging stations, roadside service not available. Roadside means you got a problem, then you have to ask some roadside a puncture shop or kind of stuff. They can able to repair earlier. Now they don't know what is that electrical circuit, and it's a purely electrical circuit. Another side is a battery kind of stuff. That battery is capacity is very less. Maximum 25 kilometers range it is like um, speed is like a 25 kilometers per hour kind of stuff. Maximum speed is there. Okay, still that kind of models also now costly one. Next one is government is given for an electrical bike earlier 20 to 30,000 rupees discount. So you will get a electrical bike with a discount, and it is mostly China model only. There is a China direct import models. So obviously, when it is came to India, in India, the bike total price for a shop purpose, it's a 10,000 only. Okay, so in a Indian market, it is 20 to 30,000. That is China. Like Okinawa is a Japanese model is there now. So those are directly available with the really cost. Now demand increases because petrol price is 100, more than 100. Second one is enforcing on the people compulsory purchase, and also promising that availability of service charging and roadside prices. Now the demand increases, and not only demand, company people take this one as a discount company utilizing, but there are increased the money to sell it. Next, number of manufacturing of bikes is increased. Manufacturing new companies, battery problem is a new batteries, longer period of battery, because if you take ether 150 kilometers happily can go. Vola 150 kilometers support. Earlier it is maximum 50 to 75, and only one person can go. Two persons are there, low speed, not then. Okay, so like that. What are the issues are earlier, that is overcome, and adding new things also. Ether having a artificial intelligence, route mapping, charging related information also it is showing. Okay, Vola futures also having something, but not as a Ether. Okay, it's in a competition. People are telling about Vola as a sim futures, but even those people also don't know. Vola also not telling this is the futures. Okay, they are giving a one mapped futures only, but Ether from starting only they are telling artificial intelligence, GPS tracking system and all. RV 400, this is also popular, that is above 1 lakh only. Okay, next one is a comparative price, because when still if it is a very costly, if you compare the price cost, like you want to buy a petrol bike, means scooty kind of stuff, you have to invest at least 90,000, and plus petrol cost. You have to put a petrol. Okay, right? Maybe Hero, some new things are also given, Destiny kind of stuff. You have to invest up to 90,000 on it. The bike cost is 65,000, total cost is 90,000. And you know, means lower end electrical bikes, you don't require license. Vola or Ether require a license, RV require license. The point is not electrical bikes, point is service. Okay, yeah, we went to electrical bikes and explanation of electrical bikes. Okay, currently, so what are the things the business people are doing on electrical bike and car? Somewhat good, but somewhat it is also bad. You have to use, you have to encourage both petrol kind of stuff, petrol cars, petrol diesel cars, vehicles, bikes. You have to, that one also should be existed. Otherwise, in a certain period of time both won't work, because if you don't use the petrol and petrol demand is reduced, the problem is the companies who are running, still running, those will be closed. Next, the crude oil price will be increases, and you want to buy also you can't buy, because they will close completely. So there is no transportation of petrol, or a very less transportation. So obviously they lost the business, they leave everything. Okay. Next one, if petrol is not available, electricity is not also there, so compulsory, so electrical bikes and all so will become a more scratch type only, scrap type only. after 5 to 10 years, or at least after 15 years, these things will become go to the scrap only. Okay, so that is the problem. So better to balance both the things, not by increasing the price of petrol and all. Of course, for a 1 or 2 years, okay, for a increasing of petrol, but once it is balanced, better to balance both the things. So actual price of petrol is this one. We got in a this one, you know. Okay. We missed the point again. Yeah, right. It is customer satisfaction through more professional approaches, productivity, service is available. If you improve your service quality, cost justified kind of stuff, productivity increases, and it will improve users' skill and experience. People who are working on it, they know how to repair it, how to use it, how to suggest it, how to sell it. So those kind of stuff will improve it. Okay. So another one is, for example, I have an internet connection. I have a internet connection. Always I will get some issues. So when I get an issue, so I will report the person. So this is the issue I'm getting. Internet is not coming. Internet is very slow. So I will complain it because of I'm giving a complaint, and as well as they're repairing from their side, they're checking. So they understand what are the issues are there. So then faster they can able to recover it, faster they can. So our virtual machine is go to that slow. So what I will do, so what I will tell, okay, maybe it is a background updates, maybe something services are there, better to restart, because I know there is a certain issues, including Jenkins when installed there is a problem will occur. I previously I told. So why? Because of I know what is the kind of issue will occur when we are installing, because that is a use and skill and experiences, and once it is documented, then we can use it. Ah, okay. Guys, I want to give a small break for 10 minutes. Then, but you people are not coming if I give a lunch break also. So, what I'm going to do is this is for understanding, just removing these things. No. I will give. I will go again. Guys, remember ITL. What is ITL? Just 2 minutes. Give me. We tell once again. ITIL. Look at this paragraph. IT, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITL provide practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. Okay. Next one. Benefits of ITL. What are the benefits of ITL? It improve IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction, improve productivity, use of skills and experience, improve use of skills and experiences. So this is your ITL. Of course, there is a few more things are there. So I will discuss these extra things. Yeah. Next one is this one. ITL has a 5 life cycles. ITL has a 5 life cycles. Okay? ITL has a 5 life cycles. So these are 5 ITIL life cycles. Okay, life cycle or life cycles. So totally 5 life cycles are there. Service strategy, service design, service transaction, service operation, continual service improvement. Continual service improvement. Okay. I will explain all these things. Don't worry. So continual service improvement. Here in this one, again, what is this? Service strategy. Service strategy involved in a planning, identifying, identifying. So just I'll put a ing directly. So identifying and planning. What is my service? What is the demand of the service? Okay. demand, planning, understanding of demand, okay, and understanding of demand, identifying, planning, demand, financial support, financial support, okay, so finance, anything you can use, financial, financial,
financial,
financial, financial, the spelling is correct, okay, so financial support. So these are in a service strategy. It means, for example, I want to build a building. Yesterday example only again telling. So I want to construct a building. So first of all, what is the purpose of that building? What is the plan for that building? What are the demand of the building now? So for sales value or like that, okay. Return of investment, you have to think. Return of investment, like this is a planning, demand, financial support, return. These are in a service strategy. Service design is a designing. What is just designing only? Service design is nothing but a designing according to your planning and all. For example, I have a land, I want to build a building. So what kind of building you want? So according to that land, land planning, and what are the idea of that building you want to build it. So you can design according to it. You have to design it. Okay, so designing is important. Okay, so designing, whether it is a new one or a old one, means you are newly constructing something, or maybe you're doing like that, designing, preparing blueprints, flow charts. Example is blueprints, okay, flow charts, okay, in different places, okay. Transaction means build and deploy type, okay. Build and deploy means one constructing and hand out to the customer. Deployment is there. Service operations means maintenance, maintaining, supporting, supporting, troubleshooting. Any issues are there, all these words will come up. Troubleshooting is there, guys. Here it is important why it is called as a infrastructure library. Why it is library? What is library meaning? Anyone? What library contains?
Combination of several files, relatively several files.
Okay, very good. Still go through again. What library contains? Yeah, yeah. You can tell in a different words also the same thing. Documents, books, information, right? Like that. That's why it is called a library. Library means it contains something. It contains information. It contains a files. It contains a documents. It contains a some structural information or a pointed information or a random information can be there, right? So here it is why you we call it as a infrastructure library. Library means a document. In the document you have to put everything in that. You got an issue, note down there. You solve the issue, note down there. You have a planning, note down there. Put a document there. Designed, you designed it. So what is your design? What is your deployment? When it is deployed? When it is completed? What is the survey report? So when issues occur, what is the issue? When it is problem is solved, what is you done to solve it? When you update your server, so put a update information like that. It is there. Okay, so this is change is also there. So next one is continual service improvement. Continual service improvement is a main thing is what are the information is generated from the above life cycles. So we'll take that information and analyze the information, collect the information from the above life cycles, about life cycles and analyze analyze the data and support support above life cycles to improve service quality. Okay, so what is the continuous service improvement? It is collect the information and store the information of above life cycles and store and analyze the data and support the life cycles for improve the service quality. So then it is once service quality increases, then betterment will occur. I will give you one example of this strategy. Means what is a continual service improvement was. There is a internet name is called Beam in Hyderabad. It is a local internet service provider. Is a Beam network is there. Okay, so I've seen that time when I want to take the Beam network in Hyderabad. It is like a 10 years back, like a 2010 11 time. So I check internet. I fill the form, but later I checked in the internet Google. Google reviews are like this. It is they are not supporting. Always internet is disconnecting and all. Okay, later they improve the internet service quality and they switch it to fiber optical cables and they are improve their infrastructure. Now this is called as a ACT. The beam is turned into ACT. Now it is a one of the internet service provider is on demand internet service provider, means like one of the finest one, means cheaper and better, cheaper and better. Okay, so earlier it is less quality, less customers, even more customers are there, they can't able to support that one, but now they turn into the ACT, mainly for a Bangalore, Hyderabad, currently in Visakhapatnam is also there, Vijayawada, and some small towns and other places also there. So now there are able to provide a cheaper and faster internet service also using the fiber optical connections. In another hand is a U broadband. U broadband is a local U broadband. Now it is there are in the Vodafone, so then they can able to provide a services faster way. So this is like initially maybe there are not up to the mark of business and people feel like this is service quality is very less, but later we'll take it. So issues are occur, problems solving, like that. Even my internet service provider, so I thought like is something internet is there, maybe it won't work. Initially I don't get a 10 mbps speed also. Okay, initially I don't get a 10 mbps properly, but later on days I'm getting 50 Mbps speed and continuously, very less complaints. Very recently, means last 2 months only, I'm getting an issues like a slow connections, disconnections. That too, some people are switching off my router in a above part internet one. Okay, like this. See, like that. So initially, maybe the service is very less. Improve next. Okay, so that will improve the business, even including I saw like this. Initially charging stations, sales, promoting is very less. Now where the problem your issue is occur, where the issue is there, so why we are not getting a proper return on investments, proper quality of the business we are not getting, proper value we are not getting. So we have to concentrate on it and we have to analyze it, how to improve the next. Okay. Another example, when Geo launches Airtel, Vodafone, there are got a trouble. Lot of people are disconnected from Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, like that. So lot of customer loss is occurred. But still, what Airtel is done, so to compete, they didn't given any free services. First month free, next month free, 3 months free. That is not done. They waited for a 3 months. And where is the lagging? Important is improve the quality of 4G services first and maintain 3G and 2G also. maintain 3G and 2G also, because call connections and basic network support, and improve the 4G, 4G Vivo LTE. Okay, and cost is moderated cost. Don't go with the free, and instead of that one, put a some cost, but give more chances. Means unlimited calling, daily data, and one time data, and other offers are so included. So when you are already in a Airtel or Vodafone, so you feel this is okay at a in a current situation. Okay, so that is like in a, and that too Airtel will work in a mainly rural area. Airtel is also works good because already old towers are there, so they're still will able to get a call at least. Geo is not like that. Geo is not in the in that one, so it's a 4G direct one. They don't have 2G and 3G. So what is the disadvantage of new business? Still they turn into the advantage of their old business. So like that. So analyze. Don't fall for everything in the business part. Okay. Okay, guys. This is it. This is about your first part of your ITL. Next part is there. So again, I'm going to repeat once again. Just guys, clearly listen. Okay, clearly listen. First part of my ITL, I will tell. This is the first part I discussed. Two parts are there for you. Originally, there is a five PPTs are there. I'm not going that one. It will take 2 days time. I'm going to understand examples. I given examples and all where we use the ITL part mainly for understanding level. I told okay. So just go through once what I told. Repeat. This is compulsory. You must by mouth. You should get it. Okay. You have to tell like ITIL, IT infrastructure library. It provides practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, supporting IT services to the business. Benefits are improve IT services, reduce cost, improve customer satisfaction through more professional approach, more product quality, more improved productivity, use of skills and experiences. This point up to here is okay. You if it is very big one, so improved customer satisfaction. It is enough. Five life cycles. ITL have a five life cycle: service strategy, service design, service transaction, service operations, continual service improvement. Service strategy means identifying, planning, verify, checking the demand of the business, financial supports, and return of investment. Designing is mainly aim is at designing your business. Service, designing a service, designing for a business, anything. Designing a service actually. It is like a blueprint or a flow chart or a process, like a step by step process. Service transaction. Any changes required will do changes in the previous one and building it and deploy it to the customer. Maintenance, supporting and troubleshooting is a main aim of your service operations, and continual service improvement is take the information from previous four life cycles, analyze it and support it will support for improve your service quality, improve your business also. I give an example. The earlier is a beam is providing services to the limited areas. Now larger areas they can able to provide it. Different strategies are important. So where is a lacking of business there, where is issues are occur, concentrate on it, and so then we can improve the quality of the service. ITL has a only few key points are there. Always remember, ITL first key point is service. First key point is service. Service and business. That is the first key point is service. Improve of the service strategy, service design, service transaction. Not a business strategy, business design, business transaction, right? Service strategy is there, right? Like service. Next, improve service quality. Quality. Improve quality. Improving of quality is very important. Improve service quality is another keyword. Improve service quality. Next one is these are the keywords. Always like a identification. No. One more. Yeah, identification of course, but cost first. Cost justified cost. Customer satisfaction. justified cost, customer satisfaction. So I will put a improve quality. Okay, improve quality of the service or a service quality. Cost justified cost means proper cost. You will there like a 10 rupees actual cost and sell for a 1000 rupees. So that is not a good, right? So like this, remedivus, the coronavirus treatment, 2 lakhs per injection also, the cost is went to up to the random cost is increased, right? So that is like how much is the business value customer and all kind of stuff, and how much is sales price. Okay, for example, there is a 10 rupees soap is there, I want to sell it for 100 rupees. This is not a cost justified cost, it is a over pricing cost. Next one is free services, like maybe you buy get two, that is a free kind of service, that is also not cost justified cost. Even lot of businesses are running like 50% discount, so you can reduce the cost why you are selling for a 50% discount, or buy one get two free. So you can give with a less price, the people will buy. So okay, buy one get one free kind of stuff. So you can reduce the direct single piece cost. Okay, so cost justified cost, customer satisfaction, because of you are providing good quality of services, customer will satisfied, a customer prefer other two things like different things, customer satisfaction you will get it. Okay. Mm. Keywords again, telling service, quality of the service, cost justified cost, customer satisfactions, improve service quality. These are the keywords. Next one is identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting. These four are keywords. Okay, guys, are you okay up to now? Are you totally got headache, vomiting sensations, self killing? Anyone? In your WhatsApp, I send a few things. Same thing only. Yeah, okay. So okay, yeah, here it is. Same thing. I forward morning, guys. Compulsory read it. Not just a reading, repeating. Like I'm repeating myself. So what to read, I will tell again. Guys, simply see. I will give you a break now, and everybody should be back by 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So today is a Saturday, and that to last day. And tomorrow morning is morning only. Tomorrow's thing is tomorrow only. But today compulsory 2 p.m. and it is little longer. So I will add other things also. I will explain the second part in afternoon at 2 p.m. and I will give you break again. I will give you two. Today I didn't given any break. Okay, because I forget. I want to give break, but something has happened to me. So no problem. 2 p.m. everybody should return. But wait, give me a just 2 minutes time. I will explain. Compulsory. Everybody log in from 1:30 only. 1:45. 1:45. Start login at least, and I will start by 2 o'clock. Okay. For me, anything is okay, no problem. So at least for today. Okay, I didn't ask for a Monday purpose. Okay, today is the last. Be there. Okay, just for you only. I'm doing this one. Okay, I'm repeating what to read. So when you have a time before that one, at least what to read, how to read. I'm telling answer for ITL. ITL, two questions. First question, I'm telling an answer. What is ITL? What is an answer for ITL? What is ITL? ITIL, IT Infrastructure Library. What is an answer? IT Infrastructure Library. ITL provide practical no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. So that is the first answer. And benefits of ITL, like you want to include the benefits of ITL, you can include in your answer. Improve IT services, cost, improve cost, reduce the cost, customer satisfaction, improve customer satisfaction, improve productivity, use of skills and experiences, and you want to add anything, you can do it. Second one, what are the ITL life cycles? Tell me ITL life cycles. Service strategy, service design, service transaction, service operational, continual service improvement. So these five are life cycles. Okay. What are the ITL life cycles? That is the question. Answer is service strategy, service design, service transaction, service operation, continual service improvement. Five. Next, if they ask question, so explain service strategy or a service design. These are the key points to understand. Service strategy for identify planning kind of stuff. It means like you want to start a project. So what is that project for? Or you want to start a building construction, or you want to provide an internet service, you want to start a business kind of like what it is. What is the planning? What is the amount? What is the demand of the service? Okay, demand of the service in the market, market strategy. So market strategy, understand market strategy, so that is a service strategy. Next, service design, designing of the service. Service design is designing of the service, preparing blueprints, flow charts, like that. Service transaction, building building service or a constructing of a service, any required changes, change of the things, deploy the services to the customer. These are the responsibility of service transaction. Service operations means mainly maintenance. If issues are occur, how to find the issues, how to troubleshoot the issue, how to support the customers when issues occur. For example, I'm not getting internet, so how to tell to my internet service provider I'm not getting internet, so they have to respond. That is service operation. Their response is service. Okay, when issues occur, what is the issue, so how to repair that issue, how to support the customer thing is service operations. Continual service improvement means what are the service strategy, design and transaction operations, what are the things we have done, what are the issues are occur, what are the changes you made it, everything we have to collect the information, put it in a database, analyze the database, and support to the other life cycles. And also it is useful for improving your service quality, improve your business purpose. We use continuous service improvement. So these are the questions and answers. There is a few more things are there. It means this part, what is event, alert, incident and problem, I will explain in afternoon. Okay, so means be by there at 2 o'clock, so don't be late. Okay, so I'm also feeling hungry. Okay, I didn't not even juice also. Okay, so guys understand. If you want me to repeat, so what to read compulsory, these are the answer. Directly I'm telling answers only. For understanding only, I'd give an example and explain with an example. I given a building example, and I given a Nokia example, and I given a Hero Honda example, Ether, internet, or other kind of stuff. Okay, and also read these things. This is a reading purpose, understanding and reading, and we can able to tell what about it, kind of stuff. But main important one is this part. This is straightforward, right? So go through it, study, take a break now. Okay, I will ask at least randomly 2 3 members, so compulsory please tell me, but looking at it you can tell me. Okay, first read it. Be back at 2 o'clock, so you can disconnect. Okay.